What's up, YouTube? I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, take a little break and reevaluate type shit. So we coming back with a hot table. I've been had on my Instagram for a couple months now, but I'm gonna go ahead and drop it, ho. Y'all know with every haircut we gotta debulk, so I took my 1 1/2 guard and about to go with the grind and just peel all this excess hair off. Here we setting our bald guideline in with the level closed. We ain't finna bald out right now. About to go with the level open, you know what I'm saying, about a 1/2 inch, and in between there we're gonna go halfway. Y'all say I went back closed, you know what I'm saying. I always do plenty of work in between y'all fades, you know what I'm saying. Right here I slept on the 1 guard open. About to do the same thing, open, halfway, close. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I go close and don't go halfway, but it's depend on the hair texture, so. Now with the fade masters, and I'm using my corners just to detail, you know what I'm saying? Just get the fade to get real blurry. Now y'all see me balding out with my Babyless FX, the graphites. And now we're going back and detailing a little bit more. And my client desired sideburn look with, you know what I'm saying, the ice pick. So y'all about to see me do that. Same rules apply for the back taper and the other side taper. I'm gonna let this video play out till we get to the hairline. But you know what I'm saying, just debolt with a bigger guard so you don't gap the hair, take too much off. And then, you know what I'm saying, level close, level open, halfway in between that. 1 guard open, 1 guard halfway closed. Ain't no detail work in between each session. It's not hard. Don't take forever on your blends because that's when you start to mess up. Y'all gonna cuss, but you know what I'm saying. That's how you start to mess up when you try to overdo it. It doesn't take a lot to get a blend when you're using a good guard system and when you trusting your wrist, you know what I'm saying. Always trust your wrist and trust yourself.
Karey, Muney. Karey Muney. Karey Muney. Karey Muney. Karey Muney.
I'm back. You know what I'm saying? Folks always ask me, how do I feel about the babeless liners and the babeless clippers? And right here, I'm gonna show you exactly why I mess with them, because they just hit so hard. Preferably, if anybody out there was trying to get some, I prefer the ones with the graphite blade on them, because they just hit so hard. Look, bam, 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 bam. I ain't had to go over the hoe twice. I just hit it once and I kept scooting over, and it became crispy just like that. And with the particular blade, I feel like it hit harder, and I feel like that particular model hit way harder. I got the gold ones, the white ones, and the silver ones, as you can see. But the black ones are my favorite. Well, the silver ones are my favorite with the graphite blade on them.
Karey Muney.
With the enhancements, you just enhancing the blend and the lineup. You don't cake it all the way up, you know what I'm saying? You just fit it in. I don't know what we talking about in the video, but it's probably some real shit though. But, you know, just enhance the line. Don't overdo it, you know what I'm saying? Be very light. Just make the lineup pop. Basically, this is the finished cut. You know what I'm saying? If you like the cut, please subscribe and tell your friends about me. I'm gonna try to get more active on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I've been trying to take care of my personal life, but you know what I'm saying? I can cut. You know what I'm saying? I can teach you how to cut. So just keep tuning in, sharing it. You know what I'm saying? Studying the game. Don't study me. You know what I'm saying? Study other YouTubers and people on Instagram. I do the same thing. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm a great barber, but I still learn from others and take what they got and add it to my game. But I will be doing clipper reviews, and I will be posting more cuts, so check out my other videos and just continue to get better.
Karey Muney.